Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to English with Fana. Today, we are going to learn how to say I don't know without saying I don't know. Before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up if you like this video. Now, I don't know or I do not know is such an overused phrase. For example, where's your lunch? I don't know. Where's my car? I don't know. Where's your homework? I don't know. It's a bit impolite, don't you think? So today, we are going to bury I don't know once and for all. Without wasting any time, let's level up with various phrases to replace I don't know. Number 1. Beats me. Beats me. For me, this phrase is the most casual one. We can use this phrase with friends and family. For instance, hey, where's your cousin? Beats me. Number 2. I don't know anything about blank. I don't know anything about blank. You can fill in the matters that you were asked in the blank. For example, when will the caterer come to set up the table? I don't know anything about the caterer. Number 3. I have no clue. I have no clue. Another phrase that is a bit casual. For example, why does he wear shorts during the winter? I have no clue. Number 4. I haven't got the faintest idea. I haven't got the faintest idea. The word faintest is giving us the idea of unclear or vague. So in this case, we don't really have any idea or we are unclear about the matter. For instance, what do you think about these colors? Magenta or turquoise? I haven't got the faintest idea. They both look pretty to me. Number 5. I've been wondering the same thing. I've been wondering the same thing. This is also a casual phrase. It shows that, nope, I don't know. We are on the same boat. For example, why do you think he cancelled his wedding? I've been wondering the same thing. Now, we move on to the more formal phrases. These phrases are usually used in more serious or in working environment or services. Number 6. I am not the best person to answer that. I am not the best person to answer that. This phrase indicates that you may know the answer, but you are not the best person to provide the answer. For example, do you know why I am fired? Oh, I am so sorry. I am not the best person to answer that. Number 7. I can find out for you. I can find out for you. This phrase is always used in services. For example, hello, may I know when the train is leaving? Oh, sure, I can find out for you. Number 8. I don't have that information right now. I don't have that information right now. This is another phrase to use by the service staff. It is a polite way to say I don't know to customers. For instance, hello, could you help me to find out the next flight schedule? Oh, I am so sorry. I don't have that information right now. Number 9. I want to be sure and give you the correct information. Let me check. This phrase is somehow a way to cover up your inefficiency at work. Well, when your boss asks you something, ideally you should know what to answer. However, if you don't, then say this. For example, I need the statistic right now. Do you know where to find it? Yes, of course. I want to be sure and give you the right information. Let me check. Number 10. I'll double check and let you know. I'll double check and let you know. Another phrase to save you from your boss. A professional way to say that I'm not sure, but I will check and let you know. For example, how many books do we have left? I'll double check and let you know, boss. Number 11. I'm going to investigate that further. I'm going to investigate that further. This is a professional phrase to say when you have no clue about it. For example, a customer filed a complaint yesterday. Do you have the report? Oh, not yet, sir. I'm going to investigate it further. Number 12. I'm not 100% sure about that. I'm not 100% sure about that. This phrase shows that we may know a little bit about it, but not the whole story. For instance, we are going to continue our expedition tomorrow. What do you think? Well, I'm not 100% sure about that, but let's try. That's all for today. I hope to see you in my next video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit thumbs up if you like this video. And don't forget to comment your favorite phrases to say I don't know. Also, do follow me in my social media accounts. I have Instagram at English with Fana and also a Facebook page. Till next time, bye beautiful people!